How's it going, guys? So for today's video we have something that I haven't done before, and at the same time I wanna tell you something, guys, because I'm really frustrated. Well, the thing that happened, it's basically this thing right there. I don't know if you guys can tell. Yeah, see that? Yep, exactly. My back window got broken. I'm really frustrated. So the thing that happened, I was on the highway. My lane was backed up, so I was, stopped. The right lane right next to me, I was trying to get the next over, and there was a truck full with painting materials or not. At least that's what I was thinking it is. I don't know. And that guy just flew so fast, and something flew on the back of his truck and hit my back window. Let me show right here. It looks like the crack. This is where it got hit. Yeah, seems like it. Yeah, from there it just created this, spider webs, and now my entire window is broken, shattered in little pieces. Put some tape around it, and yeah, man, I'm pissed. So for all of you guys out there not strapping your load, please strap your load. If I had a camera, which I'm looking, to get one, I will, if this thing happens, I'll chase you down and I'll call the cops for you, because this is ridiculous. Like, yeah, I'm speechless. Okay, so without more rumbo dumbo, this is what we have. I have a new window right there. I haven't unpacked it because I have to check to see if this is the right window. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty fun. So for today we need to see how we're gonna remove this piece, if I have to remove it. Looks like I think I have to. Then I need to remove this guy right here, and then the inside trim. Yeah, look at it, little pieces. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. So let's get to it. Okay, this bolt in the back is 13 millimeters. Okay guys, so after 20 minutes of a fight, finally give up, and guess what? I researched on YouTube, and yeah buddy. So a guy who's using this guy. So this is a gear puller, 10 bucks, taxes like 12 bucks, something like that. So let's see how this thing's gonna work. Oh, and actually this is from Advanced Auto Part. I'll see if I can find it on Amazon, so I can put a link down below for you guys. So I'm gonna put them on just a little bit. Wow, this is crazy. Safety. I don't know if I did this. This is crazy. Look at that. Let me bend it back. Okay, let's try again. This is crazy. Okay, let's try something else. Let's remove everything on the inside and see what we have on the other side of this. So for the handle, guys, it is T20. Okay, for the rest of it, looks like it's just clips. Maybe I started from the wrong side. I think you have to start from here, but... Whoa, don't push on the glass. Okay guys, let me show you. This is all the clips, and there is these two big ones. The hooks on the bottom, right here. So I should have started from the top, ripping it that way, and then just comes out. So look at the motor, it's not gonna work. Okay guys, so after trying this guy over and over and over again, it's not moving. I don't know what to tell you. It's crazy. So what I did, I went back on YouTube and did a research again, and saw a different guy using a tool similar like this one. This is the closest thing that I can find. It's a tie rod and puller. Let's see if this is gonna work. So the idea is this guy's gonna slide on the bottom, just like that, and then you should be able to pull it. So it looks like this hole right here is too big, so I think I have a trick for it. So let me show you. A 1/2 inch wrench. Maybe something bigger. 9/16. That might work. Okay, and for the head, okay, here comes nothing. It's working! Yes. Man, oh man. When you have the right tools, you can't beat it. I'm telling you guys, you just need to have the right tool for the job. This is crazy. Finally, we have this removed. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. This is gonna be for this video. This is the right way, the proper way to remove your rear windshield wiper arm on a 2014 Mercedes-Benz Gl450. Make sure you use something like that and not something like that. Yeah. So on the next video, we're gonna tackle the window. Next video, I'm gonna show you how to remove the window, remove all of the seal, and we're gonna check to see if the window that I bought is the right window. I really hope so, cause yeah. And I'm gonna show you how to remove these things as well. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys like videos like this, and don't forget, you know, if I can do it, you guys can do it. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one.